Prepare to excel in the Certified Management Accountant CMA Part 2 exam with Zain Academy's expertly crafted resources designed to ensure your success in just 3 months. Our CMA Part 2 exam questions 2025 book features 2,055 multiple-choice questions, each accompanied by detailed explanations of all answer choices. This extensive collection is available in an integrated, printable PDF format, optimized for all screen sizes, providing you with unlimited access and freedom from time and device restrictions. Enhance your learning experience with the CMA Part 2 learning videos available on Zain Academy's YouTube channel, offering you visual and interactive support throughout your preparation journey. Benefit from the personal guidance of Muhammad Zain, who is committed to your success. Receive instant support and answers to unlimited questions via WhatsApp or email. Further solidify your understanding by subscribing to the CMA Part 2 Study Guide 2025, which includes 826 questioning mind study points, 700 true or false questions with explanations, and 36 essay questions with answers. These resources are tailored to deepen your comprehension and application of key concepts. Join the ranks of successful candidates worldwide, boasting a remarkable 90% success rate with Zain Academy. Don't just take our word for it. Explore our positive reviews and ratings on Google. Take the next step in your career and income enhancement by subscribing to the CMA Part 2 Exam Questions 2025 from the Zain Academy website. Equip yourself with the knowledge and confidence to succeed. Start your journey to becoming a certified management accountant today.